everyone, welcome back. This Cleo opens straight to a waiting for connection screen and just sits there, never loads past it. Here's the fix. First, understand that this screen means Cleo's app is failing to establish its initial secure connection when it opens, which is usually a network issue rather than anything wrong with your account. So firstly, go to your settings and then toggle airplane mode on. Wait 15 seconds, then turn it back off completely. This resets your iPhone's network connection from scratch and gives Cleo a clean connection to establish on reopening. Force close Cleo from your recent apps and reopen it after connection restores. Then, if it's still stuck, go to your settings, then go to General, scroll down to VPN and Device Management and make sure no VPN is turned on. Since Cleo's connection handshake commonly fails when routed through a VPN, if you have a VPN app installed, open it directly and confirm it's fully disconnected rather than just paused. If the screen is still not clear after all of that, it may be a temporary issue on Cleo's end. Force close the app completely and check back after 20 to 30 minutes and that's it. So all you've got to do is airplane mode reset, force and close and reopen, turn off any VPN, check the connection establishes and Cleo loads past the waiting screen, subscribe.